it's Kari Matthews of Prairie Quilting. Today we're working on my Once Upon a Month block of the month, and it is August. So we have a sailboat block here that we're going to be working on today. The pattern is available through my website, prairiequilting.com. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, for our sailboat block, first we're going to make this big blue sail here. So these are both the same template, but they're different colors, okay? So we're gonna go ahead, and the engineered corners, they really help us line that up, okay? And careful, this is bias. Let's go ahead and sew. All right, we are sewing the sail to the sky piece here. Okay, we're gonna press toward that blue sail. All right, so we have one part of the sail. Okay, for the other half of the sail, we have these two white templates and then this red template, okay? So we're gonna go ahead, and this kind of fabric kind of looks like canvasy, which is kind of what I would picture a sail being like. I'm not a sailor, but it sounds fun. Okay, so first I'm gonna connect these two, the bottom white and this red piece. All right. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and press toward that red. Okay, and then we'll connect this top white piece to it. Okay, so let's go ahead and sew that seam. Okay. Okay, and I'm gonna just go ahead and go toward the top white piece because I don't want any more bulk than necessary. Okay, so we have this blue sky piece, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and put the sail on top. All right. Okay, here we go. We're gonna press toward the sky on this one, and we're gonna clip our corners here. Okay, so now we have these two sail pieces, and we're gonna go ahead and connect those up, okay? And let's go ahead and sew. All right, we're gonna go ahead and press toward that blue sail. All right, now we have the sail section done. Okay, so now we're gonna connect these two blue rectangles to this brown one. All right. All right, and we'll put the other blue to the brown. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and press toward the brown. Okay, so we have this blue rectangle for the ocean. We have this for the mast and the sails. All right, first we're gonna go ahead and connect up the ocean and this mast. Okay. All right, let's put the sail onto the mast. I'm gonna actually sew from this side. Okay, I'm gonna press down on all these seams here because there's least bulk going that direction. Okay, we have the block assembled, but now we have the boat. Okay, and for the boat, I have paperback fusible web, and I've cut most of it out. So I'm gonna just go ahead and cut the rest of this out. Okay, and then we're gonna peel off the backing. press that on. Okay, so get it where you want it, and then go ahead and give it a good press. All right, so here I am. I have my buttonhole stitch on, and I have a brown thread in on the top. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, and this is where you want to practice with your stitches and see where they come out. And I'm just going to go ahead and go as slow as I need to, stitching around that edge. On these long stretches, you can get in a good rhythm here. Taking a bite out of that fabric here, a 45-degree angle. And then we're just going to go down the last part here. Okay, so I have both brown threads from the front, and I'm going down. So I pulled it to the back side, and now we're going to go ahead and make knots. So I have white in my bobbin. So let's go ahead. I'll show you how I knot these off. Okay, so I'm going to make a loop around with both the white and the brown, and I'm going to go ahead and pull it down to the fabric. Okay, so I have that loop down there. It's level with the fabric, and I'm using my fingernail to pull, and I'm pulling against it to make a knot. Okay, so we'll do it one more time here. So I'm looping, coming through with both threads, bringing it down to the fabric, and then I'm using my fingernail to just pull through, and then I will give myself a 1/4 inch tail on that, and I'll do that with the other threads. And there is our sailboat block. All right, our block is finished. I hope you had fun, and I hope to see you soon for another project. Take care.